Hello, you all. I don't know what to say. Yes, that's right. So, I just thought I can actually record videos about my frustration. So, I'm building an app and I'm using Windows. It is not a big deal, or at least I thought that, but so far I've been coming across to several issues just because I'm using Windows. So, but that's not the main thing here. It's just in general, coding stuff is challenging. So I usually kind of share the stuff with my colleagues, and I think it's funny or can be actually interesting, educational if I share some um, problems that I have had. Um, so sometimes, when you solve something and you're like, ugh, that was it, and it was a stupid problem, but you could finally solve it. So I was thinking, why should I share this? So there you go. I'm here. I think I will record this. Let's see how it goes. Always kind of you start a little video projects, YouTube videos or whatever, and at the end, doesn't really happen. So, but I usually try to make things simple and so I couldn't expect to record this with a super ultra good camera. I think my new laptop has a really good one. Enough, I guess. Plus, I don't know. And this is Kami. Isn't he lovely? And he's quite nice. Well, kind of. And yeah, there you go. So this is, I think, the introductory video, but I will try to record something else. I just had a problem and I thought I have to share this, I guess. So yeah, and it's not the first time I do videos, so hopefully this is gonna go fine. It's gonna be fun. Bye.